Yes, students, good morning to all of you. Today we would like to discuss about second part of present tense, that is present continuous. Means at present any work is going on continuously is called present continuous. See rule first, subject is, am, are, and first form of the verb with ing and object. Students, already we have learned how to use is, am, are. Here we have to use first form of the verb with ing, such as I am teaching them. You are working hard. She is helping the poor. We are playing match. You are watching TV. He is writing something. They are plucking flowers. I am standing here. Students, these are affirmative sentences. Now we can change into negative, interrogative, and interrogative plus negative, such as subject is, am, are, not first form of the verb with ing and object. Interrogative start from is, am, are, subject first form of the verb with ing, object. Interrogative plus negative is, am, are, subject, not first form with ing and object. See, he is calling you. He is not calling you. Is he calling you? Is he not calling you? Yes. From here, we would like to use WH family words also, such as already we have used in present indefinite, and from here we have to use simultaneously. See rule first, WH family word, then is, am, are, subject, first form of the verb with ing, object, and question mark. Where are you going? What is he doing? To whom is your brother talking? How are you doing this work? Why is he sitting here? Why are they standing here? Which language is he speaking? Whose book are you reading? Yes, students, we have done second part of present tense, that is present continuous, properly. It is the easiest part of all tenses. I hope you have understood properly. Again time you have to check yourselves with honesty without taking any help. All the best. Thank you.